Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you where can you easily change your keyboard language. If you go up, you will see mic icon, keyboard icon, input icon and settings icon. You have to go into settings and then you have to click on device preferences. Here you have to scroll down to keyboard and click on this. Here you have to click on keyboard settings and languages. Here we can disable your system languages and here we can adjust what languages we want to type. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!